Welcome to a new series. Yes, it's Tink time. So YouTube tell me it's good to do short videos, 1 to 2 minutes. Apparently your average YouTuber has the attention span of a goldfish. And seeing as we've got plenty of projects to choose from, I shall be flitting from one to another on a regular basis. So we've got a bunch of motorcycle projects, obviously, ranging from a 1978 CB750 Honda R6 there, 2006. Forget what that is. Oh, that's a GS Suzuki 550. And the Monster, yes, and of course the MV and my faithful old Triumph. And then over here we've got, yes, we've got Undercover Agent Stratos. And of course there's the BumperCar project, yes, world speed record breaking thing. And let's not forget these two, not the flags. Yes, the Bel Air and the FJ. I don't know what that is. Nothing to do with me. I think somebody's trying to tell me I've overrun already. Yep, he's out of here. Anyway, you get the gist. A weekly update on the meanderings of a lunatic, and a synopsis and an update on the various projects that we're juggling at any one time. Hopefully, in turn, will lead you to investigate those in more depth. So give this a thumbs up. Do subscribe so that you're here for the next update next week. Encourage others to watch my lunacy. Welcome back to